morning, good morning. We are back on a nice, sunny, cool day. It's a lot better than last time we were here. No snow on the ground, it's just a little chilly this morning. Hopefully it'll warm up a little bit, but there's sun's out and it's not raining, so it's a good day. I'm gonna get to work on this roof again where I left off last time where the snow delayed us. And first things first, I'm gonna show y'all something I brought. I brought my ladder. This is the ladder I was talking about that Garrett and Caitlin got me for Christmas. And I actually remembered it this time. It's a pretty neat ladder. You can open it up and use it like that, or this goes all the way up and it's makes a straight ladder, or you can fold it up and just lean it on a building, you know, whatever you're working on. So I remembered it this time, so that was what I wanted to get out there first off. And now it's time to start on that, finishing up the tin on that roof. Alright, this is where we're at today.
I just put this right here to walk on.
Okay. I've got the roof finished to the end. I got that antenna moved over. So now it's on the side instead of going right through the middle of the roof. There is a difference in color. It's hard to see right now, but the sun. But I'm gonna fill in those gaps up there on the top where the tin meets, because I couldn't find this same kind of tin, so I just had to use what they had. And then today I tore out these stairs this morning, just a minute ago. That's the stairs. That looks like a lot of wood for that little staircase right here. And that's what this looks like now.
You tore off that piece of wood.
I took off the piece of wood on the bottom, And that's where I replaced the window that was leaking real bad before we did the inside walls. And you can see down there below the floor where it's kind of rotted out. So I'm going to start on about 10 foot of the floor, but I'm going to have to just set it up against where it's going to be right there. And then whenever we cut the opening out, when I get to that point, when I cut that opening out, then we'll repair the floor inside, and then that's when I'll completely attach it together. So it'll just be floating right now while I'm working on it for now. It'll just be right up against where it's going to be. You just have to do it in steps. So that's the plan. Do the floor, do the walls on the outside edge, and then open this up, connect them together, and then finish it all up. Okay, this is pretty much where I'm finishing up for the weekend. I did get that roof all the way to the end. I got most of the supports up in there where the board ends. That way it won't sag in the middle. And then I did start on this floor, so got about 9 feet of it out here. It's those are 10-foot boards. So right now it's not connected to the cabin yet, but it is connected to that deck over there, so it's pretty solid. Everything's level. And when I come back next time, I'm gonna bring some more 4x4s like this one, and then I'm gonna screw them to these, and I'm not for sure what I'm gonna do yet. I may get some big flat rocks and put on the ground, and then put that 4x4 on it. It's pretty solid right here. It's just not solid out here. It's just a bunch of clay. Or I might bring some more of these concrete things here and put in there, because I don't want it sagging at all. But right now I just put a 2x4 across here, and I screwed it to each one of them, and then I have it supported here and over in the middle, so that ought to keep it, the whole thing, from sagging. So next time I come back, I'll just continue on. Put some more of these, I don't know, stabilizers, whatever you want to call them, into the floor. Cut those. I've got 4 in there right now, but I'll probably put quite a few more in there just to help make it more solid, because once it's there, hopefully it's going to be there for a while. And then I'll start over here and start working on this right here. That piece right there, that's just a piece of the siding I took off over here. I just set it there to see how straight it was going to be, and it's looking straight. So I've got it. It's not all the way up against that board, but it's a pretty straight line for eyeballing it. A little bit of tape measuring it. But anyway, that's where we're at right now. And again, we thank you for watching. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you on here next time.